Hi, this is Dan and welcome to Habit Made. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create this macrame plant hanger so you can display your plants differently. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button so you will be updated for our new content. Anyway, I won't be wasting any more of your time and let's get started.
For the materials, we'll use cotton cord, wooden ring, scissors, a piece of cardboard, and ruler. We also have Macrame Starter Kit available for purchase on our social media accounts. Cut 9 cords with 8 feet length each. We'll use the separated cord to make a spiral knot. The next thing we need to do is to put all 8 cords through the wooden ring. Pull it through until you reach the center of the cord. Now we have 8 cords in the wooden ring, which means we have 16 cords hanging down. Next is we'll use the last cord to make a spiral knot. To do this, find the middle of the cord and we'll make half of the square knot. Create a number 4. This cord over and we'll go behind these cords and through. We just have to repeat it again. Make a number 4, this cord over, and it will go behind these cords, and through the loop we created, pull it tight. This is basically the same method that we're using when creating a square knot, but instead of making an inverted 4, we'll keep on doing number 4 to create the spiral effect. Let's just keep on repeating the process until we reach our desired length. For this planter, we will make a 5 inches length. Then let's get an extra cord to make a gathering knot. Make a U. Wrap this around 4 times. Then put it through the loop. Remove the excess cords. Let's make groupings of 4. You can put these 4 cords on the side so you won't get confused. Same with these 4 other cords. Then let's start making a square knot. For those who are new in my channel, you could always check 3 basic knots you need to learn so you could have a detailed guide on how to create square knots. Now we have to create spaces in between square knots. To do this, take a piece of cardboard. I'm using a 3 cm cardboard. This will help us even out spaces. Just put it in the middle and continue making square knot. We just need to create 9 square knots. The spaces will create a chain look. And make sure we have 9 square knots. Then let's continue working on this side. We just need to create another 9 square knots. And let's just flip this over to work on this side. Let's make 9 square knots on this last side. We should have 9 square knots on each side. Now we have to connect these 4. Get these 2 cords from this side and then these 2 cords from this side to make a square knot. Let's still use this cardboard to even out the spaces. Continue making square knots in between. Now try to fit the pot that we're gonna use to check if we still need to create more square knots. For this one, I think we need to create one more row of square knots. Diameter of this pot is 9.5 cm. By the way, if you would also like to create your own cement planters, we also have available tutorial in this video. Just click the link in our description box. Let's continue making another row of square knots. Connect these two by getting these two cords from this side and then these two cords on this side. Now time to make another gathering knot. Distance should be 3 cm from the last knot that we created. Again, to make a gathering knot, this cord should be facing upwards and wrap this cord around 4 times. Put this through and pull this cord. Cut excess cords. Now time to transfer these plants to its new home.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging us on our social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on our next video.